Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download the Truecaller app, okay? First, I'll launch my Google Play Store since I am on an Android, but if you are on an iOS device, launch your Apple App Store. So this is Truecaller, and to get here, let's say you're in your home page on your Google Play Store, you come here at the bottom right and click on search. And then you just come here at the top, click on search apps and games, and just type Truecaller. Okay, just type this up and you'll see this app, right? Ignore all those ads. You want to click on this one, Truecaller. It's by Truecaller. Okay, you'll see this one has over 1 billion downloads. Just come here and click on install, and the download will start. And once it's done downloading, it will be installing on your device. So wait for this to be done. There we go. It is currently installing. And now we can go ahead and open it up. There we go. Really that easy and simple.